for this hour. Okay, here we go. Trivia contest for this hour. Hello! Hello! Hello. Trivia question for you guys. Get the chance to win 600 pesos cash. All you have to do is answer this question. Okay, here's the question. The current SBMA chairman was appointed April of 2011 and the administrator November 2011. Now he is the same person. What is the complete name of the current SBMA chairman and administrator? Phone line is now open. We need a caller. 252-8905. Okay, 252-8905. Okay, we have somebody calling. Let's check it out. Hello, caller.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning. You gonna join the radio contest?
Yes,
All right, what's your name first?
Vel.
Can I get your real name? Because this is like an official radio contest with cash prize.
Floricel Tamayo.
Floricel Tomayo.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay. Hello, where are you calling from?
From Barangay PPMD.
Barangay PPMD. Yay! Are you ready?
Yes.
You heard the question, right?
Yes.
You want to give me your answer now? Go.
The answer is Honorable Chairman and Administrator Roberto V. Garcia.
Wow, kompletong-kompleto. Congratulations. Why the laughing thing? Teka, nagkamali akong pindot. Ayun. Congratulations, Miss Tamayo. Am I right?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So you know how to get to the station, right?
Yes.
Claiming of prizes is on Monday. All right? From 8 in the morning till 4 p.m. You need to bring an ID, of course. Congratulations. Oh, by the way, taga saan si Miss Tamayo?
Dito lang.
Aside from, being the fact that you're from PPMD. Ha?
Roosevelt, Dinalupi.
Taga Roosevelt. Oh, batiin mo naman yung mga taga Roosevelt. Go greet them now. And the
Hello.
people at PPMD right now,
Hello
syempre.
everyone, lahat ng nakikinig.
Walang names? No names?
Basta
Sige.
lahat ng nakakakilala na lang sa akin.
How about answering the traditional
And
question?
sabi kumusta and hello to all PPMD.
Okay, how about the traditional question of ours? Para sa lahat ng caller. Traditional question is, sinong celebrity lookalike ni Miss Tamayo?
Ay.
Huwag mo sabihin si Beth, ha? Beth
Hindi ko
Tamayo.
alam.
Hindi nga.
Wala yata.
Hindi, yung ano lang.
Pa lang ng ano.
Kahit yung sabi lang ng mga friends mo, yung, uy, Mare, kamukha mo si pautang naman. Yung ganon, sino?
Wala yata. Wala.
Wala?
Kontrabida.
Walang nagsabi sa'yo, even once? Kontrabida, sino? Huwag mo sabihin Belia Flores.
Wala eh.
Wala?
Sino daw?
Ano ba to? Hindi ko maisahan? Ang hirap mo isahan. O sige, tanungin mo yung mga katabi mo dyan, tanungin mo.
Dali.
Sino daw artista lookalike ni Miss Tamayo?
Sino? Wow, Christine Hermosa.
Christina Hermosa, nice! Si Miss Christine Hermosa Bataan,
Ayan,
tama ba?
nag-survey na ako.
May bumubulong sa akin dito si Betong daw.
Okay.
Hindi, biro lang. Okay, thank you so much for calling and congratulations.
Okay.
Tell us, before you say goodbye, what's your favorite radio station?
Of course, 89.5.
Subic Bay Radio. Okay, Floricel Tamayo, right? The full name?
Yes.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, there you have it, people. The 9 o'clock winner of the radio trivia contest. Congratulations, Miss Floricel Tamayo from Barangay PPMD of the SBMA. Congratulations. Lahat po na nakikinig by chance sa Manalo, all you have to do is tawag-tawag lang, 252-8905. Once we give the trivia question, una-unahan lang sa pagtawag, 252-8905. Everybody can join. It's open for everybody. All right? So there you go, people. The answer to the trivia contest, the chairman and administrator, of course, Roberto Villaseñor Garcia. Robert V. Garcia. Oh, complete winner, ha? Yung tinext ni, yung nilagay ni Mr. Nizian. Kompleto. Okay, so let's play another Friday Rewind song now. Every hour po, meron yan. Meron tayong radio trivia contest hanggang 5 p.m. of course. 8 in the morning till 5. 2 days of prize giveaways, November 23 and the 24th. Meron pa hanggang bukas. Okay, we have another caller. Hello, caller. Wala na. Okay, so let's play another Friday Rewind song. Here's something from the group called The Colors. From back from the, is this like the mid-80s, I guess? Yeah. This one's called Nevermind. 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Nevermind. Well, that's the title. You're with DJ Tommy G. The Hitman, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.